1 Minute French, Lesson 9. Welcome to 1 Minute French. Je m'appelle Pierre Benoit. I'm Pierre Benoit, your host and teacher, and I'm here to teach you French 1 minute at a time. We're going to spend 60 seconds learning French, and in this lesson, we're learning how to ask people how they're feeling. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. A very important question in any language is, how are you? It's really useful to be able to make conversation like this with your French-speaking friends or colleagues. Listen to this phrase in French. Ça va? Listen again. Ça va? Make sure you're raising your voice at the end of the sentence. Ça va? Now, let's learn some answers to this question. To say you're feeling well, you can just say, ça va bien. Try this again. Ça va bien. One more time, and remember to sound like you mean it. Ça va bien. To say you're not feeling good at all, you'd say, ça ne va pas. Repeat this again. Ça ne va pas. One more time. Ça ne va pas. But hopefully you'll be feeling fantastic. To say this in French, you could say, ça va très bien. This is one of many ways. Just as in English, there are lots of ways of saying the same thing. Try saying, I'm feeling great again. Ça va très bien. One more time. Ça va très bien. Okay, let's put this to the test. I'm going to ask you how you are feeling. Ça va? Hopefully your answer was, ça va très bien. Time's up. That's all for this lesson. We really do hope that you've been enjoying these lessons and that you feel you're making progress, even if you're just spending 1 minute each time on your French. In fact, it just goes to show what you can achieve in 1 minute. We'll be back next time with the last lesson in the series. So in the meantime, merci et au revoir.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.